This is our first tourist stop here in Jakarta, yung Monas Mosque, no? So we're here waiting for yung bus that will bring us to the mosque. Okay, so this is yung area of para siyang park. Baka sabihin mong para mag-walk lang tayo.
Kasi meron siyang rota.
Rota? Sige. So this is yung park niya. No, very nice park here in Jakarta, center of Jakarta. So we're expecting yung heavy traffic. So far, hindi naman ganun, no? Comparable or Manila is even worse. No? So, ikot tayo. So may bus stop dito. Yung driver namin told us to wait here because of yung maganda yung kuha nito, oh. Even the upuan, no? Very nice yung upuan nila. Then along Monas Mosque, ito facing the financial district nila here. Kasi baka how long siya?
He's asking the guard.
Ano?
He's asking the guard.
Baka pwede mag-walk na lang tayo? We can walk? Sige, ito na. Sige.